I don't know how he held the bike up then.
Yeah, well, I couldn't have done if I'd have let it go. That's why I have to lean on it and push.
And it was definitely off centre. I was just going to let it go, but he stopped it. I don't know how he held it up. Morning, Beaks. We're leaving Tyndrum for a small location just outside of Stirling, Gartmore. We're staying in a pub tonight and we're going via Duke's Pass, which is another goat track.
Of course it is.
It's 10 degrees this morning, which is cool.
Chilly.
And a warning sign back there for unmarked police cars targeting motorcycles.
Police targeting motorcycles. Was it electronic board or was it?
No, just a standard white board. Highland Cool!
Where? Oh yeah. You and your Highland Cool.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Mind you, we did see some miniature ones when we were in Australia, if you remember.
So it rained overnight, the bikes were quite wet, but the roads have dried out.
Well, yeah, they're still damp, sweetie, but yeah, you're right. That hotel was average.
I don't know, I think the room was not quite nice.
Well, the room was, but the service was a bit slow to say the least. Hour and 3/4 to get our main dinner.
Yeah, that was bad.
Well, they targeted the coach parties that were in. There was a load of Germans and they catered to them by way of a buffet type. Feed your face as much as you like. And they were catering to that, and of course they took our order and I think we got put on the back burner.
Yeah.
We're becoming experts at hotel rooms, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for our needs, certainly with the amount of luggage that we're carrying, remembering we're carrying this amount of luggage because we're likely to be on the road for 2 years. We need really a lift. If there's more than just a ground floor, we need a reasonable location where you've got some kind of secure-ish parking.
That's relatively flat.
Yes, preferably close to somewhere where there's food service, if it's not in the actual hotel or wherever we're staying, and sometimes a location where we can pick up some supplies.
We've got some camping gear that we carry, but we haven't as yet had to use it. It's there for emergencies, I suppose. That's why we've got some of the, is it freeze-dried, vacuum sealed packed stuff?
Yeah, we've got, we've used one each, so we've got 2 more freeze-dried meals. We're also carrying nutrition bars, so they're full meal replacements, so we've got 2 of those each. I mean, I wouldn't like to live on it, but I mean, you're not expecting to live on it, so all right, it is emergency stuff, but I mean, there's plenty of campers out there who will quite happily live on it for a week, because at the end of the day, it's just a week. You know, as long as it's got the calories for you to survive and have energy to do what you're doing. You know, I think it's really good that you can get freeze-dried food now, which is of a reasonable quality. I mean, no, it doesn't replace steak and 3 veg sort of things, but then you wouldn't expect it to.
Well, the important thing, Glennis, is you've got to cater to your gluten intolerance.
It's amazing how many calories you burn off though riding motorcycles to this level, because you're using so many of your different muscle groups, and it takes a lot of physical energy to move a bike around.
What's wrong with Rob this morning?
I think he's just feeling miserable. No, it's just because he's got a man cold. I think we got it from the same place. It's trying to fall over all on its own. Duke's Pass, here we come. I'll just take it easy then. If he says it's dodgy, then it's really dodgy. Oh, the road's bad. Yeah, I was going to say, if you back off, then that'll help her a bit. I'm sure you need to back off. Give each other room. Really? Island coo! Oh! Get her out of the way. She's terrified. I dread to think what she'll do when she meets the hairpin. Oh my god. You're actually going to turn around. It's turning around. Three-point turn at that. I can't believe that. We have to guess where the Tesla's going. This is where I have to find neutral first. quick view of the room at the Black Bull Inn at Gartmore. This is a really good room. Of course, half of our stuff is on charge. And we are limited in space with all of the bags that we've got, but we're still in. Beautiful big shower. Red hot. Very tidy. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and family, and we'll see you in the next one.
Love you long time.